Hey guys, it's me Olivia. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys how to put a name tag on any animal in Minecraft. So what you're gonna need is anvil and a name tag. So what you're gonna need to do is get your name tag and put it on the anvil and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name my horse Catherine. So then, once you've done that, you're gonna want to do that. Put it in your inventory. And then what you're going to want to do is click on the horse or whatever animal you have. And then, of course, it's the name tag will be on there. So, yeah. And also, I am building the rest of my mansion, so I'm going to let you guys come. So, there's my little horse. And I am going to have one dog and one cat as well. But the dog and the cat, of course, is a wolf and an oxley. So, yes. I am sick, sick. And I have a bad headache. I can still. So I am Ariana Grande from One Last Time. This just randomly appeared in my skin. My dad probably downloaded it. Because my dad likes to go on like um my laptop and like look at things that I played or something. And he went on the thing that I go on to get my skins. And he said, "Can I download some new skins for you?" And I said, "As long as they're not boy skins, yes, you can." But I do have one boy skin, and that's a Lewis one. Well, he's not called Lewis. I decided to call him Lewis. So yeah. He was originally called Mike for Leyt. So yes. Anyway, since I've talked too much, I'm not gonna talk anymore, and I'm just gonna let you guys go do your thing, whatever you want to do. So yes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and share this video with your friends if you want to. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye!